Okay, today we will discuss the significance of the master data and the T code to create a material master. It is MM01 and you need to select the industry sector. It is mechanical engineering, and here the like Z or which I think, yeah, ZRW. Okay, here selecting the view. Okay, see here account basic data 1, basic data 2 and purchasing, and accounting 1 and accounting 2 is by default showing in this screen. So how this screen will control in SAP Standard 1? Okay, it is controlled by the material type. Okay, and where we can find that material type? It is available in a background setting. And how can we go for the background setting? The T code to all the background settings are performed by the MM consultant. It is called, or maybe another consultant. It is called SPRO. You need to remember this T code. Okay. Once put that T code in the command field and press enter. Here the SAP reference IMNG. Just click on this button, and these all the fields which is responsible for all the background setting, so that the business flow can easily map all the business requirement in the standard one. Okay, so all the MM related setting is available in logistic journal. Okay, here the just click on the logistic journal, and here the material master. Here the some configuration material master and the field selection basic setting. Okay, configuration material master. Or you can just go with the search option. Here is available in here. We have to go to the basic setting and go to the material type. Okay, and click on the define attribute of material types. Here all the material types available in this screen. There is some of the customized which is created by someone else, and as I already told you, there is some material type which is available in SAP, which is standard one, like ROH for raw material. Okay, see, and FERT, which is available for finished goods, or maybe there is a different material type which is available in this screen. But right now we will check for that ZRW, which is customized material type, which is created by us in this system, and we can go or find that material type with the help of this button. It is called position, and just put here ZRW. Okay, here you can select this material type and go to this button called detail and click on detail. Here the field reference, like here the different fields available in this screen, and I already discussed, or I already told you about these different fields in previous session. Now how can we control this screen? Once we will go for the MM01 to create that material, and when hit that screen, how can we control this screen? Okay, so it will be controlled by this setting, which user department view we select in this screen. The default screen will show related that user view. Okay, material view. Like I'm just remove this field and just select only one, which is basic data. Okay, and click on save. It will ask for me to the customize request. All the functional changes record in a customized request. Okay, which is called CR. Okay, so that we can identify the change in background area. Now I am just hit enter again. Okay, just come again on this screen, like MM01, and hitting enter. Okay, see here only basic data field available. Okay, so you can control these user department view. You can control material view with the help of this user department. Like I'm just suppose I'm just selecting this one, and plant stock, storage, location stock. Okay, and sales view. Okay, not sale, the storage. Okay, and now save that again, and now I will come again in this screen to MM01. Okay, and hit enter. See, the view will be changed because I just change all these, or I just select these different user department in this user department screen, so it will affect directly this one. Okay, where these things where we can benefit it, or where how can we use this type of the customization? Like if you know finished goods, only finished goods we can sell out. Okay, so only finished goods type, material type, we need a sales view. So we can control that view in this material type user department screen. Okay, so we don't need all the user department view, or we don't need all the type of the material view to create any material. We just go with the which is mandatory, or which is we require to create that material for that purpose. Okay, next one is external number assignment without check. Okay, here this checkbox is not selected. So what is the impact of this checkbox? If I just want to give my desired number to that material, like test for mat type. Okay, or test 003. Okay, like some of the company or